understand any system, you need to understand what it is made of and what are the ifs and buts that go into that system, right? So if you are going to write a program about a particular thing, you are going to write an algorithm about it, but you need to understand the language in which it is written. And Sanjeevani, in a way, opened or exposed me to that language in which we are written. So it gave us the constructs, or it explained the syntax of the language to understand ourselves. So it gave a very strong tool to um understand our own emotions, understand our own body, how we react to things, and I think that is a major takeaway of Sanjeevani. So it looked very huge in the beginning, but Garima made it very smooth the entire journey, and she ensured that whatever is being taught is integrated into our life, and it has integrated well. So I have people telling me that something has changed in you, and you're looking more beautiful and you're looking more young. And I knew exactly what I was doing because of Sanjeevani to get to that state. And Sanjeevani has helped me to, has given me the proper coaching, I would say, to sustain that throughout my life. So Sanjeevani, if there's still lot of more things to Sanjeevani beyond the 2 months program that we attended. Okay, so Sanjeevani gave me the knowledge, and it still urges me to go and explore about being your own true self. So it helped me identify the child within me, helped me bring the child within me again out, and which had like I had lost the touch with my own self. And so it was like there was every one of us, each individual has this vast ocean of happiness and wisdom within us. But over the period of time, with all the fears and anxiety that we gather around this ocean of happiness and wisdom gets blurred and covered with a lot of debris that we collect. I feel Sanjeevani helped me clear that path to give myself access to that happiness. And it was not just that it did it for just once. So it has also equipped me to with the proper tools and knowledge and information to keep the incoming debris which we get as we live our lives away, so that I always have access to this ocean of happiness and wisdom within me. There were two aspects of the program which I feel has major impact on me. One was nutrition aspect of it. So it gave her this new outlook towards nutrition, about how to view food as a source of, not just source of energy, but also source of positive energies. So whatever you eat, the way you eat, the method of eating, everything has an impact on your body. So nutrition, the way you look at food has changed, and I've become more conscious about how you eat, what you eat. And I we can actually see the impact of, you know be aware of the impact of the food that you have. And by changing your food, how you can change your well-being, how you can help food help you in
Mm.
healing and being in being in the state of calm peace, help. So it treats your body like a temple, right? So, and the food that you put inside the temple decides how well your temple is kept, whether it will remain clean or it will become unhealthy and clogged with a lot of cholesterol and unwanted toxins. There was a session where one-on-one session which Garima had taken, and I could actually feel the emotion, how emotion impacts our body. So I had a lot of pain because of the stiffness in my neck and back, but I still have that stiffness, but I know that the pain is not there. So stiffness is just one part, but the pain in the particular body part is related to the emotion that we feel every now and then. So I think the second aspect of it was how emotions impact you and how to deal with your emotions. So the two aspects of some Sanjeevani, which are biggest takeaway, is nutrition and emotions.